This restaurant is popular for its fish noodle tomato soup because
no fishy taste.
hi everyone. Now today I'm going to share with you the secret ingredients of how to make our fish noodles tomato soup without the
No fishy taste.
So let's start cooking. Get your full recipe in this description box below. First tips to avoid the fishy smell in your soup is to stir fry all your ingredients. Second tips, using fish stock or cubes to make more flavorful without the fishy taste. Once it boils, remove the scum. Then add in fish sauce depending on your soup quantity. Add in sugar, pepper. Third tips, the real secret ingredient is using tomato ketchup and chili sauce pack, which you can grab from those fast food restaurants. Blanch your noodle. Boil all your fresh sliced fish. Blanch your tofu cube. Then pour in the soup and ready to be served. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give a comment below.